Hi everyone, Mrs. Simmons here. I wanted to create this video for parents and students, just explaining again how to get into Google Classroom, where to find assignments, and how to complete those assignments. So I'm actually logged in under a student right now so that this is exactly what your guys' screen should look like when you are accessing the Google Classroom. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to what they call the waffle, which is right here. You are going to click the waffle and find Classroom. Once you find Classroom, again, click Classroom. It's going to open up the Google Classroom, and your student may have multiple classrooms because different teachers use this within their classroom, and it's easier to have their own, so everything's labeled. So, for example, though, everyone is going to find the Simmons 2019-2020 classroom and click that one. Now you are going to be in the classroom where I'm going to be uploading work. So as you can see up here, they have stream, classwork, and people. So right now you're on the stream. And in the stream, you guys can type messages to me if you'd like, coming right down here to this box. You can ask questions, utilize this any way you'd like. You can see that I have been posting assignments. So some of the assignments are located right here, but I found an easier way for you guys to keep track of what I'm posting. So if you would actually follow the directions that are right here in my banner, it says click classwork to access assignment. So instead of accessing the assignments on stream, you can actually go right to Classroom. And I've organized the assignments by week. So for example, next week is April 6th through the 10th. I've posted 3 assignments per day. So these assignments are just, really trying to keep your student up to date from kind of where we left off, working on a lot of those comprehension and math skills that will keep them where they're at and just, help them stay on track for their goals that they have for the school year. So the first assignment says Monday calendar. So all you do is click Monday calendar, and then you're going to click the Google Slides. It's going to open a new page. So my morning calendar always just starts off with a short little message to students. You can either click the next slide or just do the arrow key down. Then it's going to ask students different questions. Each slide is going to have a different question. So for example, this slide says what day of the week it is, what day of the week is it, and today is Saturday. So I'm going to click Saturday, and I'm just going to drag it to the box. And that's it. Then I'm going to go to the next slide. What day of the week is it? They want to know what yesterday was. So yesterday was Friday. Today is Saturday. Again, click, and then you have your blue box, and you can just drag it. And tomorrow will be, click, drag. Tomorrow will be Sunday. So each slide has a different question that you'll just click and drag the answer to. I did want to stop on the what is the temperature like today. It says click here to check the weather. So I'm going to click here and it's outlined in blue and nothing really happened, but I'm going to click it again and I've added a link. So you're going to click the link. It's going to take you to the weather. So right now it is 59 degrees in Wyandotte, Michigan. So I'm going to go back to Google Slides, look at my chart here. So 59 degrees is going to fall in the cool temperature. So I'm going to click and drag, and the temperature is cool. Okay. And then keep going, answering the rest of the questions. I do have a page that is an optional slide. It says write a message, share with me how you are doing, what you've been up to, anything you'd like to share. So all students will do is click on the box and then they can just type away whatever they want to say to me. And that is it. So then that first assignment is completed. So the next assignment I have is News to You read by Mrs. Simmons. So all you do is click here, and you actually have two different options. So I have a video, a YouTube video that I made where I'm actually reading the News to You article to students, or I have the PDF file where I'm not reading it. So it really depends on your student, and if they want it to be read to them or if they want to read it independently. So I'm going to click the one where I read it to students. So it opens up right here. You can make it bigger if you want, make it full screen. And I'm going to just play it for just a quick second so you guys can see how it works. So in that video, like I said, I go through, I read the entire article to students. And then again, this is the PDF file. So if you click this, students can read it independently. So again, it's up to your student and how they would like to do the reading. So after they complete that assignment, there's only one more assignment for them to do for Monday, and it's the Stress Awareness Month quiz. So they click the quiz. They're going to click the link. So this might pop up. So I'm under the student. I'm going to click my name, whatever your student's name is. I'm going to allow. And then I'm simply going to take the quiz. So I can start the game, and it gives me options if I want to have music, memes, and read aloud. So this is the big one. This will read the questions and the answers for students. So you want to make sure that this is green. So I'm going to start the game. Okay, so as you could see, it read the question for the student and gave them the three different options. So then they would just click on whichever option they thought was the correct answer. It would show if they were correct or not, and then it takes them on to the next question and so on. So that's it for Monday. Those are just really the three things that I would like students to take time out of their day to do. It won't take very long. And then you move on to Tuesday. So on Tuesday the 7th, the same thing. You're going to have the Tuesday calendar, which is the exact same thing as Monday. So you just click it, it opens, and you run through Tuesday. So, what is the day of the week, the month, the date. So those same things. The other assignment I have for Tuesday is science activities. So students click science activities, open the Google slide. And for this one, I have directions on the page, but it says click an image to check out a science activity. Some have additional games, quizzes, and hands-on activities to do at home. So there are 4 different science assignments that students can either do all of them, they can do 1, 2, whatever you guys feel like doing. So I'm just going to click on the image. So when I click on the image, there is a link. So I'm going to click the link, and it's going to take me to the website. So this website, you just press play and it walks you through every single thing. This one does have a hands-on activity. So if you want to do the hands-on activity, parents, you guys can preview the activity. You can see the materials that you need to do the activity, and just go from there. And you just follow it. They walk you through every single step. So it's very simple. This is also a Mystery Science Tornado one. These two below are Brain Pop. So you click the image, you're going to click the link. It's going to take you to the Brain Pop page. And on here, all you do is watch the video. It's only 4 minutes and 23 seconds. And then it has different quizzes, wordplay, games, activities, all different types of things that you guys can do as well. And this is also another brain pop. So you would just click the image and then click on the link, and it'll take you right exactly where you need to be. Okay. And lastly, for our last Tuesday assignment, you click the image. You click the assignment, click Google Slide. Some of you have different math assignments. I did 2 different groups. So depending on which group you're in, this one may or may not apply to you, but still you can follow along and see. All you're doing is dragging and dropping the missing number into the correct place. So we have 1, then we're missing the next number, which is 2. So we find 2 at the bottom, you click it, and you drag it up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, I know 4 is next. I'm gonna click it, drag 4 up, and so on until my number chart is filled out. And I have the number charts going all the way up to 100. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys an idea of some of the assignments that I'm going to be posting and how to access them, what to do. If this is still something you're struggling with, please feel free to reach out to me. I will help you out in any way that I can. I just would really like students to be doing some sort of work at home, even if it's only, 20 to 30 minutes a day. If you would like me to send additional work, I can do that as well. So please, please, please just reach out to me. I'm here to support you guys, and I want to help in any way that I can. So yeah, if you have any questions, please just let me know.